No skin off my nose, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, no skin off my nose. This quirky phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's a colorful way to express a particular sentiment. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. At its core, no skin off my nose is an idiomatic expression used to convey that a situation or outcome does not affect someone personally or cause them any harm or inconvenience. Essentially, it's a way of saying, "It doesn't bother me," or "I'm not affected by this." It's a handy phrase to express indifference or to reassure someone that an issue or a decision does not negatively impact you. The exact origin of "no skin off my nose" is a bit murky, as is the case with many idioms. However, it's believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. The phrase plays on the idea that losing skin, especially from something as prominent as one's nose, would be noticeable and undesirable. Thus, stating that an event is "no skin off my nose" implies that the speaker is unharmed and unaffected. Over time, this expression has been embraced for its vivid imagery and has become a staple in English conversations. Incorporating "no skin off my nose" into your language repertoire can add a dash of personality to your conversations. Here are a few examples to guide you. When someone apologizes for a small mistake that didn't bother you, you can respond with, "Oh, don't worry about it. It's no skin off my nose." In discussions where a decision has to be made and you're indifferent to the outcome, you might say, "Either option works for me. It's no skin off my nose." Remember, while the phrase is informal, it's widely understood and can be used in various conversational contexts to express a lack of concern or impact on oneself. And there you have it. "No skin off my nose" is more than just an odd saying. It's a colorful expression of indifference or unaffectedness. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, happy learning!